The bottom left one is good for crossing over because the hole is like visible. You can see it like right here.
So basically, it started when we were doing some research with one of the Mayo clinicians where we were trying to 3D print hearts. In talking with another clinician, then what happened was he was looking at could we do surgical models. So actually being able to train surgeons in certain procedures. And so we did some with some aortic aneurysms, trying to do those models. And then this newest one is basically trying to train clinicians for using catheter procedures to go into the heart and do various procedures.
So we built it from scratch. We take those CT scans and use a program called Materialized Mimics, in which we segment out different models and then send them to the 3D printers to be printed. And then we took it piece by piece to create the model that we have today.
If a surgeon has a procedure on something they know is a complex heart, they actually take a CT scan of that heart, 3D print it, we can put that in this model, they can practice it as many times as they want before they actually go in and do the procedure. So critically important to get the right model, but it's also oftentimes in engineering, for example, you may be working on something and you never get that feedback, and that feedback is so important. And so having the actual clinician, surgeon give us that feedback, and it also shows how important these types of things are to the students when the students actually get to interact with the clinician. So it's critically important for the success of the program, but also for educating the students to understand why we're doing this. What's the importance?
Oh, this is way more than I ever could have dreamed would have happened from just joining this research project.
It's so nice to see how far this has come along and what you've done with it. So yeah, happy to take a look.
I knew that there was a partnership with Mayo Clinic, and I thought that that was really unique, but it's so much more than a partnership. It has opened so many doors for me. It was the reason I got one of my internships, which put me ahead in school as well.
I was really drawn into this project due to the 3D printing aspect and also the cardiology, because I've had a lot of family with like heart issues, so being able to do this is really, really great to do, and I feel like I'm doing something for the world.
As someone who's going to be working bedside for a while in a cardiac unit once I graduate, it's amazing to see the whole process and to have that understanding that as a nurse, I'll be caring for patients that will come out of procedures similar to this one, and I'll be able to provide education and help the patient and family members understand the healthcare process as a whole.